Hello, good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Errol U. Ambol, 27 years old. I'm graduated of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management in University of Baguio. I have experience food and beverages, a waiter, and housekeeping as a public attendant. Um, previous job as a waiter and public attendant, where I learned how to provide excellent customer service and a fast-paced environment. My responsibilities, including greeting guests, taking food and beverage order accurately, serving meals and drinks, ensuring and happiness of a dining area, and responding to guest requests rapidly. And my as a public attendant, I want clean for public. My responsibilities is clean elevator always and uh, corridors and stairways and public toilet bowl. I want to work with my team, stay calm under pressure, and always maintain a positive and professional attitude. And I have already certificate training, basic training, SDSD, crowd management, crowd crisis management, safety personnel training provided, and that's all. Thank you.